A lot of users only realize Dave charges a monthly membership after they've already used the cash advance feature and seen smaller than expected payouts. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what the Dave membership fee actually covers, when it makes sense to keep it, and when you're better off canceling it. The Dave app uses a subscription model for access to its cash advance features, including extra cash eligibility. If you're paying the membership but not getting approved for advances, you're basically paying for a tool you're not using. Here's how to figure out what's going on. First, check what you're actually using inside the app. Open Dave and go to your extra cash section. If you've never been approved for a cash advance, the membership is just sitting there unused. In that case, canceling usually makes sense because you're not getting value from the core feature. Second, look at your deposit activity. Dave relies on consistent income and connected bank activity to decide eligibility. If your direct deposits are irregular or your account isn't linked properly, the app may limit access. That means the fee is still active, but approval isn't. Fixing that starts with reconnecting your bank account and making sure your income deposits are showing correctly inside the app. If your data isn't updating, uninstalling and reinstalling the app and reconnecting your bank can refresh the connection. Third, compare it to your actual usage. If you only opened Dave once or twice and never used extra cash, then the membership is not doing anything for you. In that case, canceling removes a recurring charge with no impact on your finances. If you are regularly getting approved for advances, then the fee is basically paying for fast access to small short-term cash, which some users rely on for emergencies. To wrap it up, here's the simple breakdown. If you're not getting advances, the membership is not useful. If your bank isn't properly connected, fixing that matters more than canceling. If you are using extra cash regularly, the fee is tied to that access. Your next step is simple. Open the Dave app. Check your extra cash eligibility and verify your bank connection before deciding to cancel or keep it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes on cash apps and banking issues.